something like this. So this is from Viktor and Rolf. Hippo PR team got to me. Parts did not stand up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am making this Valentine's Day jacket. It's supposed to be inspired by this. I think it's Viktor and Rolf, one of their runway shows, but I had some problems, which y'all will see soon. But I still liked how the jacket turned out. I made it for Valentine's Day, and this should be posted on Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to all of y'all. And yeah, let's get right into it. For Valentine's Day, I want to try to make something like this. So this is from Viktor and Rolf, I think is the designer's name. And originally I was just gonna do heart patches down the sleeve, but I want to actually try to do hearts that stand up. So I don't know how exactly they're gonna stand. Like, I know that if I do them out of fabric, they're gonna have to be stuffed and like a lot to have the structure to stand. So I'll figure that part out later, but I'm gonna get ready and draw a heart that's about like 4 inches tall, because I want it to be roughly 3 inches tall, so then when I flip it inside out, and then start cutting those out of some scrap, like red pinkish fabrics that I have, and sewing those together. Okay, I cut out 2 hearts. I made a bigger one because I want the hearts highest up on my shoulders to be bigger. So now I'm just gonna cut out a lot of hearts. I think I want 7 on each side, so that is 14 hearts total, and 14 total, which means I need to cut out 24 hearts. I was wrong, I meant 28. Okay, I cut out all the hearts, so now what I'm going to do is pin them together and cut the divot to be a little deeper, so when I flip it inside out, it is like very much a heart and not a blob. Okay, so I cut the divot. As you can see, it's very deep. I like the soft heart more, but I think when I flip it inside out, the deeper dip will give it more of that soft heart look. So I'm gonna go ready and sew them. I have them in a pile, like everything is cut and pinned, because I'm gonna try to do production style sewing where I just sew them back to back, because there's a lot of hearts. So I'm gonna film some of that, and then I will flip them inside out and make the stuffing, which if you watch the earmuff video, I don't know if I showed how much stuffing I used, but it was a lot and it took a lot of time to cut that many pieces. So this is a great place to pause, but I will probably be watching the Batman trilogy. Look at the stuffed animal that I got from Walmart yesterday. It was an impulse buy for Valentine's Day, but it's so cute. The Hippo PR team got to me, but look at her. I sewed all the hearts. Now I'm gonna cut them apart and take out the pins and flip them inside out. So we went from this to this. It still looks like a heart. Not really what I imagined. I'm just gonna run with it and stuff them and go from there. Okay, so I finished stuffing the hearts for the most part, so now I'm just stitching them up, and I'm just doing a little stitch around the edge, and then I will stitch them onto the shirt. It's taken so long to make enough stuffing to stitch all these little hearts, and I don't know if they're even gonna actually stand up when I sew them onto the shirt, so we'll see. Quick update on the jacket. The hearts did not stand up. I tried just sewing them on, and then I tried to do like 2 threads through the top of the heart. Did not work. So with the help of my mom, we made them look more like hearts, and now we're just sewing them like flatly onto the shirt. So not really what I expected, but it is what it is. thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.